Hello, this is Adam Reitner for Slingshot World TV. And, well, today I've had a heck of a good day for Slingshot World magazine. I've been to see me publishers. I've been to see Hearn the Hunter, Slingshots and Accessories, or HTH. And I've also come home to discover I've got to harass the poor neighbours, because this has been delivered. Now, they said they were going to send me the Frontier stove. This is time for my mighty weapon to come out because, well, I'm not sure what's in this box, but we're going to do that second. That's kind of exciting. I was always taught when I was a lad, you're supposed to open your card first for a Christmas or birthday present, you know. But I'm afraid I'm not really going to obey that. I'm going to take these bits of paperwork out, which have got stuff written on it, and blatantly just remove it. Okay, here we go. La la la. That's just the label. The Frontier stove. I first saw it at a fishing show in Norfolkshire, and the chap was telling all about how it was designed to be dropped, be careful there, fat boy, in aid needing zones, and it was rated for how many people it could keep alive. Ooh. There's a box here. What's in there? What's in there? How's it open? Don't do any damaging to the packaging. There we go. Oh, this is a small piece of metal. This looks to be the little doodad that stops cinders falling out the front of your Anevay stove. Here, a couple of bits of packaging. Let's. I get so excited. Frontier stove instructions, as no man ever did. Read the flipping manual, or RTFM. There's other ways to pronounce that. So good. I'm just going to have to do this. My help. Ooh. I unpacked some heavy stuff in my world, but in my time. But this is a serious piece of ironmongery. Here we go. It's got some lovely, I have to say, eco packaging. I hate people who use polystyrene. I say that when I open up the box, find it full of polystyrene. No, joking. That's a good carton. That's a bit of cardboard you can use for the foreseeable. And this bit of papier-mâché looks worthy of keeping as well. Oh wow! Sorry, I'm giving it that wow without showing it. Here we go. Turn it around. Lay it down on the table. Relieve it. And this other bit of mega egg box. La la la. Oh man. The hot plate. This, I described to the nice man at the fishing show, is a total win on the bank, because this is an auger versus other people's efforts. Oh, look at this, hang on. You get a little cotter pin, and you pull the cotter pin, and you straighten it and you shove it through, and you put the leg in position, and you put the cotter pin back through the other little hole that's created. Even I can work that one out. Push it. Oh, it's getting exciting. Do 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 do. Come on, put boy, get along with it. Na na na. I won't do any more assembling than the 3 legs here, but in real time, and I'm pretty damn stupid. Ooh. La, la. Oh, there's this child who's been walking around the terribly nice suburban area where, like, what I live, and whistling like as if he's got a sheepdog. And I know you can hear him because I have a very sophisticated stereo microphone on my camera. And I'll bring you. Oh, there we go. The Frontier stove. Anevay. Oh, look at that. Hang on. Let's just stand it up. Ooh. Hang on. I think I need to lift the camera up a tiny little bit. Sorry. It's all live, I tell you. Hang on. Oh, yes. You're giving good badge, dude. There's a stove of mail or a thing. There's a good sturdy handle there. What's inside the box? I'm intrigued. Let's actually turn this around so you can see the end as well. Oh, oh. Yes, although it is still daytime, I'm using a lamp because the daylight is going. Oh man. 1, 2. Now, one of the cool things about this system is that you can get the stuff to put it inside a hot tent. So I can't remember the proper name for it, but it's a hello. That's where your fire goes. Oh man. Hang on, there's a leg knot on the table there. Wow. Let's put that to one side. I'll tell you what, that does look bonny. Now, I was expecting just the stove. That is fab. Let's see what's in here. Very carefully. Ooh. Oh my word. Well, for one, eco fuel. That's a compressed fuel block. It's yeah. It's a full flipping. It's my first burn, baby. It's the eco fuel. Excellent. Most excellent and awesome. What's in here? Oh man. Is that called a spark arrestor? I don't know. But yeah, this is how to light the stove. It's so groovy. It cometh with... Oh, hang on, there's something else here. This is the Anevay multi-tool. As yet, I'm not sure about it. I guess that's poker for poking. And you've got for opening doors and things and lifting pots. And dude, Anevay, thank you so much. I am so looking forward to this. It's even I can work out what to do with that. Although, yes, the instructions will be perfectly clear. Lovely. Thanks ever so much, guys. Adam Rayner signing out for Slingshot World TV, just as my lamp starts to fluctuate here in suburbia. I'm turning the camera back on again because I pulled this out like it was packaging, but I think there's something else in here. And is there ever something else in here? Oh, guys, yes. Nice. Ho, ho, ho. There we go. Baggy, 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 baby. It's a baggy. That is so groovy. Oh, nice. Oh, mate, I tell you what, it's not just a lovely object, but there is that little element of, that's kind of a win at the catapult event, so I'm going to be there. Oh, no, it's just lovely. Thank you so much. I love it. Awesome. Thank you, guys.